I'm Jennifer with the Perfect Fit Alterations. We are located in Burleson, Texas. Our phone number is 817-447-3522. We have decided to make a scarf that's going to go with our pet coat that we've made for our little puppy. We've sewn our scarf together and we're going to add some fringe that we've cut out of fabric, coordinating fabric, to go on the ends. So we're going to line our fringe up. Put our foot down here at the end. Going to sew 3 stitches and back stitch. You want to be careful not to sew some of this fringe into what you're sewing, so make sure that this is straight because it's trying to flip under there. You're going to sew a little bit, do a flying back stitch, and continue on to the end. Now our fringe is ending up a little longer, but we can just trim that off. This fabric doesn't ravel. And back stitch it on the end. We're going to flip this around and put our yellow on this end. Be sure and back stitch right here on the end. And back stitch right here on the end. 4 or 5 times. Make sure that it stays on there. Trim your edges off, and you have a scarf.